Hello and welcome. It is the 13th day of April 2017. My name is Derek and welcome. This is being shot on a different computer, so therefore I'm hoping the video sound quality is all good. This is just mainly a test to see how well the quality of this is as I'm transitioning into using a different computer for these videos. As far as the movement on the silver market is concerned, its current status, its stage is leaving the 18 average band. That's a bullish thing to look out for. Well, here it is. Does this thing have the legs to have a nice leg higher, making a pattern of higher highs and higher lows? Well, it seems as if that's the case. It's got a very bullish read situation come into play, have this nice run higher, getting most of its losses back, correcting sideways. You have this quick 2-period correction to the band, and then the next period here, regain its losses back in one session with continued follow through and technically breaking the previous resistance in at 1854. So a very strong setup to say the least. This is also going to be, as long as it can hold 1840, the first time that it has been at least that as far as the lowest price going back to October the 3rd. So it's been a long, long time where the price every single day has been below at one point 1840 every single day. So another step towards a bullish movement. Got a whole bunch of other people looking at the golden cross. There's all these other bullish setups. It wouldn't surprise me if, as we continue into the northern hemisphere spring, southern hemisphere autumn, or the next couple of months, to see a bullish market of higher highs and higher lows. Immediate support, previous resistance, which would coincide within this 18 average band. And then, of course, any deeper support, there's a couple fib levels in there. Let's now move on to Bitcoin. And here we have it. This is a move today going down to a band of the 18 average. It's the first band test since its rally higher. It also comes down to the first key Fibonacci level, 23.6% down, 76.4% calculated on the way up. So first test has had a small bounce. This market is going to have to get above this 18 average of highs and continue upward momentum for this uptrend to remain intact. If it fails to do such, then movements in this range is only going to make this 18 average flatten out and go sideways. That is a neutrality situation. And if you do make these lower highs in here and it's starting to come down, that's going to weaken the odds of this 1139 area holding, and you'd be looking for a next move down to 1087 as its next support level. Also, furthermore, if this thing rallies up back towards its previous high, just like we've seen in the silver market in a similar situation where it rebounds it fast, just a rebound period to this level, strengthens its situation, you're expecting a higher low from this point. If this is going to be it, that's much higher. And yeah, it would be very bullish if you're coming back towards here, and let's just assume that it does, and it's in at 12.15, you'd be a lot more confident going long if it does something like this at 12.15 than you would have been the first time. Although, technically speaking, it's still a good time to go long, I think, at this point, even though the price action is lower. The market does have this rising 18 average. And maybe a deeper correction on a bullish case is going to be needed, but that's why it's going to be important to see any type of further momentum in the upper part of this to state, yep, it's had its correction, it's ready to go, it's ready to pop at its earliest level. Any break above here, seeing price action around 1250, that's going to be an excellent time to come in for a long position, at least on strength. The overall up target is 1286. So at least if you're going long at 1250, you can get a 36 basis point gain, a little over 2%, and it shouldn't take too long to occur amongst that situation. And that will be it. So hopefully this comes in pretty good, and take care. Bye-bye.